Hey Jammers, I'm a magic horse. Yay. I know how. Show you how. See? Voila. I'm really at Coral Canyons. Coral Canyons. And so I can run all over Coral Canyons if I wanted. And I did this glitch at I did it down here. The glitch I did here. You go. Ka! There. Go in. You come here. Open up parties. And then go to parties. Then you set the horse party. I think, I'd imagine. Probably not because he's a horse. Not a horse. So yeah, that's just how you do that glitch. And it's pretty simple. It's like underwater glitches, so yeah. So, ta-ta, Jammers.